Are multiple debts causing you sleepless nights and you're unsure of where to begin to untangle them? Fear not, because you're about to discover a strategic approach that will put you back in control of your financial life. First and foremost, you need to assess your debts. Gather all the necessary information such as the outstanding balances, interest rates, and minimum monthly payments for each debt. Knowledge is power, and in this case, it's the first step to financial freedom. Next, create a detailed budget that outlines your income and expenses. A well-structured budget is like a roadmap, guiding you towards your financial goals. Identify areas where you can cut back on spending. Remember, every penny saved is a penny earned. Now, it's time to prioritize your debts. You can choose to tackle the debts with the highest interest rates first, known as the debt avalanche method, or start with the smallest debts, known as the debt snowball method. It's essential to choose a method that suits your situation best. Don't hesitate to negotiate with your creditors. Contact them to discuss lower interest rates or more manageable repayment terms. Remember, creditors prefer receiving some payment rather than no payment at all. Consider consolidating your debts into a single loan with a lower interest rate. This process, known as debt consolidation, can simplify your payments and potentially reduce the amount of interest you pay over time. Look for ways to increase your income. This could involve taking on a part-time job, freelancing, or selling items you no longer need. The extra income can be directed towards paying off your debts faster. Make an effort to cut expenses wherever possible. This might involve canceling subscriptions, eating out less, or finding cheaper alternatives for everyday expenses. Every dollar saved is another dollar that can be used to reduce your debt. It's important to stay committed to your debt repayment plan, even when it gets tough. Keep track of your progress and celebrate small victories along the way. Remember, a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. If you find yourself struggling to manage your debts, consider seeking help from a credit counseling agency or financial advisor. They can provide personalized advice and assistance with debt management strategies. Finally, while you're working to pay off your existing debts, avoid taking on any new debt unless absolutely necessary. Focus on living within your means and building healthy financial habits for the future. Remember, getting out of debt doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, discipline, and determination. However, with a solid plan and a commitment to follow through, you can regain control of your financial life.